today we are going to read after teacher. The story of today is from the book. So we're going to listen first to the book, to the story, to the lady, and then we're going to repeat after teacher. Ready?
Max's camping trip. Max and his friends go on a camping trip. After setting up the tents, they go fishing. Bobby and Max start the fire. They sit around the fire at night to tell scary stories.
Okay, repeat. Max's camping trip. Max's camping trip. Max and his friends go on a camping trip. Look, they are going camping. Number 2. After setting up the tents, they go fishing. They put the tents, this is a tent, and then they go fishing. Number 3, Bobby and Max start the fire. They are starting the fire, it's night. Number 4, they sit around the fire at night to tell scary stories. Look, Max is telling scary stories. Oh, please, Max, stop. This is the story.